How to recover Hotmail account password. So if you want to recover your Hotmail account password, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and on the search bar search for hotmail.com, and then it will directly take you to the web page. So now you have to click on sign in, which is on the upper right corner, and now you have to enter your mail, and after entering that click on next. And now you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, or if you want to recover your Hotmail account, then what you have to do is click on forgot password, and then they need to verify your identity, so they will send a security code to your mail which you have just entered. If you want to receive a code in this email, click on get code, and now you have to check your mail, and here you will have the mail. And after entering this, and now after entering the code, it will take you to reset your password. So now you have to enter a new password, and then you have to re-enter your password. The password must be at least 8 characters. After that you have to click on next, and that's it. That's how you recover your Hotmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.